not going to waste time. Let's go on and do our editing. Mother, have you done the editing? All right, Jensen, have you done the editing? Jensen, have you done the editing? All right, so we're just waiting for Tammy. Tammy, are you there? Tammy, why is there two screens? Tammy.
I think you can kick out that other tab. Because just now I had some error, like I cannot join the computer audio properly.
Oh, okay. All right, Jensen and Mother have done the editing. Have you done your editing also?
I have.
Okay. All right, let's do this together. All right, very quickly. Can you see my screen? Okay, that's better. All right, so this is the order. Mother number 1, Jensen number 2, Tammy number 3. So that's the order that we're going to take. Is that okay? Okay, so Mother number 1. Mother, could I get you to do number 1, please? Read for me the first 2 lines.
Teacher, I need to access the worksheet first.
Okay. I'll give you a few minutes. All of y'all quickly go and access the worksheets. Did Tammy disappear again? Oh, Tammy's not here. No idea what's happening. Okay. Okay, Mother, are you ready? All right, once Mother has gotten his the worksheet, can you read the first 2 lines for me, please? Singapore?
Singapore has always been a magnet for tourists. This little gateway to the east, with its deep water harbour and limited area of fertile soil, have always relied on trade as the source of its wealth and prosperity.
All right, any error on question 1?
Question 1, it is the word have.
All right, have. What does it change to?
Has.
All right, why is it?
Because you're only describing the little give
The
it to
harbor
the
and the
east.
area of fertile are referred to the same thing. So it is supposed to be singular. So it's SVA. Subject, verb, agreement. All right, has. All right, number 2, Jensen.
Do I start from foreigners?
No, tell me if there's any error in question 2.
Question 2, there's, I think, trade.
Trade, what's wrong with the word trade?
Singular and plural.
So relied on trades as a source of its wealth. No, it's wrong. Have relied on trade, all right? Because this is supposed to be singular. So it's correct. So if you actually look at question 1, there's actually no error.
Oh.
There's actually a yes, but it's okay. It's a good try. All right, number 3. I think she's not here. She's not back. So I think it might be a connection. So let's go back. Mother. Mother.
Where do you start reading from? Where do I start reading from?
Oh yeah, I can read from foreigners. Foreigners trade.
Foreigners trade and stay to enjoy the delights of its beauty of the island.
Okay, stop there.
And
No, stop there, stop there. What is the error in sentence 3?
it's the A.
All right. Change to?
The.
Thank you. And what error is this? Article. All right, it's an article error. All right, go on. Number 4. Jensen, read for me.
An exciting romantic spectacle of a rapidly expanding country from
All right, so question 4, what is the answer?
from
Thank you. From is changed to?
since.
Well done. Give me 1 second. Somebody's at the chat function.
Tammy is back.
Oh, Tammy's back. Hi, Tammy. Welcome back. All right, this is give me 1 second. Something wrong. Tammy, are you okay with your connection? Sorry, guys. 1 second. All right. Okay, I can see Tammy. Well done. All right. So the next one, since that is it's a conjunction. So this is a conjunction error. All right. Next one, number 5. Tammy, can you do 5? Since independence, tourism has become a major source of income. I kind of read the right answer, but it's okay. Tammy?
Come.
All right. So became, become. And what is the error type? Anybody can tell me what is the error type?
Tense.
Thank you. Tense error. Number 6, mother. Tourists wandered through ethnic neighborhoods when Chinese, Indians, or Malay.
Just like continue what you just said.
No, just tell me the error.
Okay. The error is when.
All right. When changed to?
It's changed to where.
Thank you. When changed to where? So when you say Chinese, Indian, and Malay, they're referring to the race groups, all right? And they wandered through the ethnic neighborhoods. It's a place, okay? Not a time. All right, next one, number 6. Number 7, Jensen.
Merchants dressed in traditional garb hawk the herbal
Not
medicine.
grab, darling, garb.
Or
Garb.
garb hawk the herbal medicine or spices.
Any error?
No error.
Thank you. No error, yeah? All right, well done. The next one. Tammy, number 8. Bathics that spill out their small shops onto the narrow, clean streets.
Off.
All right, off, change to?
Off. OF.
Thank you. And what error is this? Preposition error. All right. Of, in, out, under, they're all called prepositions. Number 9, mother. Singapore has prospered. Many of its citizens can afford the luxury.
The error is
Had changed to?
has.
Has. Okay. And what error is that?
Tense.
Thank you. So identify the type of error because that's important. Jensen, tech.
Of tourism themselves, they are traveling in ever-increasing numbers to different.
Okay, what's the error? Sorry, I circled it.
Themselves.
Okay, change to?
Themselves.
And what kind of error is this?
Singular and plural.
Yes, SGPL. All right, well done, guys. Good job. All right, very, very quickly, tell me how much you guys scored out of 10. Mother? Jensen got 6.
I got 8 out of 10.
Oh, well done, Mother. Jensen got 6, Tammy. Tammy got 5. Okay, so you need to buck up, yeah? All right, let's move on. All right, so now after this, we're going to do situational writing, which is informal. All right, so what I'm going to get you to do is Tammy is eating busily. So Madhav, you're going to read the meaning. You're going to say, Madhav, this is what you're going to say. You're going to say purpose. Why are you writing this? And then Jensen, you're going to read the example. Is that clear? Like, Madhav goes, why are you writing this? Jensen says to inform, explain, persuade, and everything. Madhav says, audience, who will receive your piece of writing? And then Jensen replies. Got it?
Miss is like I'm asking question and Jensen is answering it.
Yes. Okay. I know. Yeah, correct. And let's go.
Purpose. Why are you writing this?
To inform, explain, persuade, report, argue, describe, and
Etc.
etc.
Audience. Who will receive your piece of writing?
Family members, teachers, presidents of an association, etc.
I no need to unmute yourself, Jensen. Leave it on.
Context. What is the situation or background information that led to the need to communicate to your audience?
You witnessed an incident in school. You had participated in an activity and need to report it, etc.
Writer. Why are you writing as?
Yourself, student, sibling, or part of a committee, etc.
Format. How do you need to frame your ideas?
Speech, email, letter, report, etc.
Tone. What is your attitude towards the subject?
Friendly, informal, respectful, formal, persuasive, appreciative, etc.
Okay, take out your mobile phones if you have one with you or a print screen and print screen this slide because this is a very, very good slide for your situational writing, especially when you're doing a revision. Okay, take out your mobile phone, take a picture and in your camera roll, press the word favorites. So this picture will go under your favorites. Every time you need to look for it, go to your favorite folder. Okay? Because it's very important when you're writing a situational writing that you know who's I always used to see PACTT, remember? Purpose, audience, context, tone, and text type. Text type is the format. I used to call it the text type, okay? Here they've included an extra one, which is called a writer. Are you writing as a student? Are you writing as a sibling? Are you writing as a part of a community? All right, so it's very, very important for you to know this. All right, let's move on. All right, let's come back to Mother reach step 2 and Jensen read step 3.
Step 2. Identify and label the number of points needed for task fulfillment. Tip. Be careful with questions which may have more than one point needed with 2 WH question words. For example, the point might include which activity do you like best and why. Take note that both parts of the question need to be answered.
Jensen?
Search, highlight, and paraphrase task fulfillment points in the visual text. Tip. Jot down your paraphrase ideas on the visual text itself. Note, if the task fulfillment point cannot be found in the visual text, brainstorm for ideas and write them down on the empty spaces you have.
Okay, so it's very important that you identify and label the number of points that you need for task fulfillment. All right, because sometimes in a question, you have more than one point that you need to answer. Okay, so they like which activity and what do you like most? And what you need to do is search and highlight. All right, so jot down your ideas and then even in the task fulfillment cannot be found, brainstorm for right ideas and so you can write them down. Okay, that's step 2 and 3. So you all know what was step 1, right? Identify and understand. So what is step 1? Always understand the purpose, audience, context, tone, and text type, okay? And Step 2 is to identify and label.